This recipe is a delicious one and there's actually no baking involved. This is a great recipe to do with the kids, especially little ones, as it doesn't involve the oven at all. This bake also involves some bashing up of biscuits with a rolling pin, which they love. This one is easy to make vegan, as you can swap out the butter, cream cheese and double cream for plant-based alternatives, easily available in the supermarket. You can also swap out the icing sugar for agave syrup or stevia sweetener. So let's not bake a cheesecake. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our digestive biscuits, okay? We're going to pop them in the bag. Can you do that for me? Pop them in the bag. Let me help. In the bag.
All of them.
Yeah, all the biscuits in the bag.
Three.
That's it.
Can I eat this bit?
Yeah, go on then. We're going to pop them in the bag. And then we're going to twist them so they don't come flying out. And then, Nora, what I'd like you to do... Yeah, we don't want them to go everywhere. You need to leave enough space, otherwise when you bash the bag, they all come flying out. Right, you ready to do some bashing? Can you whack those biscuits into crumbs, please? You okay? Go on. Well, you might finish that and then do it with your right hand. Right, go. That's it. Bash, bash, bash. Ah! You got my finger. They like this bit. Go on. Whack it. Whack it.
Wait, whack.
Whack those bits over there. So we're whacking the biscuit. Oh no, we've got a leak.
We have
Okay.
a hole.
We have a hole. This does happen, so just be aware of that so it doesn't come flying out. Right, don't hit my hands. That's a lot of trust. Oh, did you hit your hand? Where did you hit it? Let me see. Oh, let me see. Have some more chocolate chips, it'll help. Do you want me to finish? Okay. Ow! Ow! Right, does that look like crumbs to you? Yeah? Okay, right, so we're going to pour this into the bowl. There we go. Yummy, yummy biscuit crumbs. Right, can you see any big bits in there that I need to bash out? Might be a few. I'm just going to bash out the final big bits. Get any bits that you see that are bigger than a crumb, just give them a whack, that's it. That's it. Good girl. Very good. Right, that'll do, I reckon.
Oh,
that bit there. Oh, there's a big bit. Ah! Now we've bashed up our biscuits, can you pour our melted butter in, please?
I will. I got it.
Lovely, thank you.
What's melted butter? Chocolate
So-
chips.
No, not chocolate chips yet, not yet. Right, so we're going to mix in. Can you do that mixing for me, please? Mix, mix, mix. So we're mixing together our biscuit crumbs with our melted butter. Let's give it a good mix. We're going to pour the crumb mixture into the bottom of our 8-inch loose bottomed cake tin. Now, the reason you need a loose bottomed one or a spring one where you can kind of open it up a little bit is because after it's set, you need to be able to get it out. So you want something that you can kind of push up from the bottom to get it out or open it up from the sides, ideally. Right, so we need to press it down into the bottom, like that. You doing that? Yes, you can.
I'm just looking at...
That's it, press down, press down, press down, press down, press down.
Is this a pancake?
No, it's not a pancake. Right, so.
Oh, pancakes.
Oh, pancakes. Right, do you know what we're going to do with this?
Oh, chocolate chip.
Do you know what we're going to do with this? We're going to pop it in the freezer for 10 minutes while we mix our other bits together.
What?
That's our buttery biscuit base. Now, we are going to mix together our main cream cheese bit, okay? So we've got some icing sugar, some cream cheese, obviously. We've got some double cream. We've got some vanilla extract. And I'm missing something. I'm sure there was something else that was meant to go in there. Chocolate chips! Yes, exactly that. I think that was everything. Yes, cool. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give my whipped cream a little whip. Right, I'm gonna whisk this until it's a bit fluffier, okay? Here we go. If you've got an electric whisk, this will take a few minutes. You don't want it super thick, you just want it starting to thicken. Doing this bit helps it set, because obviously you're not baking it, there's no eggs in it. So whisking the cream helps it set. So you can see it's already starting to thicken. That's all I want. It's just soft peaks, if you will. Right, Nora, we're going to mix everything together now. Are you ready? So we're going to pour our cream cheese in.
I am.
You going to do it for me?
Cream cheese.
Not cream cheese. What am I on about? We're pouring in the double cream. Our whipped double cream. Hang on, I might need to just... Right, try now. Ready? Bang the bottom for me.
No.
Come on.
Ow, ow.
There we go.
It like boom.
Like, boom. Oh, what was that? Anything important? Oats. Oh, that's fine. Now the cream cheese. If I loosen it, can you pour it in for me? Oh yeah, that's loose now. So ready? There we go. Every time we do that, the icing sugar goes everywhere. Right, I've got something a bit bigger I can mix it with now. So I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to start mixing this in because the icing sugar goes everywhere. So I'm just going to fold in the icing sugar a little bit before I let you at it.
You mean me?
You? Yes, you. So I folded in the cream cheese, but we need to give it a good whip. But before we do that, we're going to add some vanilla extract. Have a little smell. It's vanilla. It smells lovely.
Oh no, it's liquid.
Yeah, but it smells lovely.
But it's liquid.
Right, teaspoon of
I'm not pouring
extract.
that in because it's liquid.
Well, yeah, it's liquid. It's just smelly,
It'll
lovely.
go everywhere if you spill that liquid.
It's a bit melodramatic, but all right. Right, you ready to put the chocolate chips in?
All of them.
No. Well, you've eaten half of them, so yeah.
All of them.
Hang on, let me just get the last bits.
All of them. 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 I'm going to save some for
Let me
me.
get the last bits.
Mummy, I'm going to
You're going to save some for you. Right, chocolate chips in. Boff. Good work. And we're going to mix the chocolate chips in. I'm going to go and get the base from the freezer. Don't you dare shovel them in your mouth at once, missus.
I'm not.
Right, you guard the cream cheese. Right, does that feel cold to you? Whew, doesn't feel cold? You telling me, porkies. Right, if I hold this up, can you scrape it in, please? We're going to scrape the mixture, the cheese mixture, into the now frozen base. Hang on, let me hold it like that, might be easier. That's it. Right, no, do you think we should put it in the fridge like that? No, what should we do?
Spread it out.
Spread it out, smooth it. Would you like me to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all I'm going to do is just spread...
Mixing a cake.
Is it an invisible cake?
Yeah.
All I'm doing is just spreading out the mixture.
Look, it fits.
So it's flatter. Ideally, you want to leave this to chill overnight. But if you can't wait, try chilling it for a few hours or until it's firm enough for you to be able to get it out and slice it up. Should I pop that in the fridge?
We put my invisible cake in the fridge.
Okay. Thanks. High five. Yeah! It's time to take our cheesecake out of the fridge that we made. Should we have a look? Yeah? You eating my chocolate chips again? Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Can you see it's gone all hard? So if you go like that, it won't come out. Yeah? Right, so the trick to getting it out with a loose bottomed tin, I'm just gonna run a spatula around the outside. Ooh. is to use a glass. Now you need to do this really carefully. This bit always makes me nervous. Right, so we push. Oh, oh. Ah, that bit's stuck. Hang on. Come on, cheesecake. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wow, look at that. Doesn't that look yummy?
Yeah.
Right, we're going to pop it on our plate. Oh. And then we need to sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. Do you think you could do that for me?
Eyes.
Eyes. Oh, you make a face, are you? Is it going to be cheesecake face?
It's going to be a cat.
It's going to be a cat. Oh, yeah, you could do chocolate chips into little ears, couldn't you? Just making a cat cheesecake.
Yeah. A cat cheesecake.
Oh, that looks great, Nora.
The cat.
Yeah, that's okay. Are you going to do the other one up here? Well, same as you did that one. That's it.
Why? Maybe another one for me?
Maybe another one for you. Now, I really think as a parent, it's really hard not to intervene. When your child's doing something like this and getting creative, I find it really difficult not to. But I'm just trying to stand back and let her go for it. Look at that! Beautiful! You are very creative. Oh, there's a chocolate chip come out the side there. Pop it back in. Boop, boop, boop. And there we have it, our no-bake chocolate chip cheesecake. Is that yummy? Yeah.
Chocolate chip.
Also yummy. Thank you.